guys. So, I am interrupting the Cleaning Like Marie Kondo series. The finale is coming today. As you read by the title of the video, it is a kind of dumb video, but something that I wanted to try. And it is, I edited my Instagram pictures for a whole month. So, what do I mean by this? No, I did not Facetune them. Because no, you can't fix this. What I mean is, I got a photo editing app and I edited my pictures. The app that I used, oh, you can't. The app that I use is VSCO. Oh. And you can see some nice beautiful pics of me and Miyasara and some nature. And so, basically, what I did was, okay, let me start off how I got this video idea. So, I noticed that a lot of hip teens, edit their pictures. Like, they got the, like, grain look, and, like, it's, like, it's altered. Like, you can tell that it has been altered. And so, I'm like, hey, I'm a teen. I want that too. So I did some investigatory search and I found VSCO, which according to some of the people that I talked to, my friends, and just online looking through videos on YouTube, is one of the better ones because it's very easy. So all of the pictures in my intro are edited on VSCO and I like them. And so the whole idea behind this was, I wonder what would happen if I started posting edited pictures. And I didn't think I would make this into a video, but I went to the mall with Sister Chalai and Sister Amanda, and we took some pictures, and then I'm like, ooh, yes, we looking cute anyway. And so I'm like, okay, so this is the perfect time because Amanda loves to take pictures, like selfies. And so I'm like, okay, like send me those. And then I edited them. They're on my Instagram page. And so I'm just going to show you directly from my Instagram page. Oh no, okay, so I think this post got as many likes as it was going to get. So I'm going to archive this post. Okay. I archived the post temporarily just for this video, but you can see my Instagram is linked down below. But it all follows a sort of theme, and it started with these 3 pictures. This was the first one. Oh, what did you? Oh my god. Trisha Paytas's butt was just like... Well, it started off with these, and then my field trip pictures. Then these are from the shoot for my profile picture, some Chuck E. Cheese pictures. Then these are from the field day, and then these are from our most recent field trip. Now I'm editing some other ones with another style, which is this whole like the Hooji style. And so yeah, I can make a whole other video on that if you guys are interested. But I can also make a video showing you how I edit my pictures, even though that's like dumb. I'm not saying that it's dumb, I'm just saying that I don't think people would like to see how I edit pictures. But I started editing them, and then I noticed a change. Certain I don't count this one as a flop pic. That's my Valentine's Day post. It's literally just cupcakes of some things I did, and then this one got a lot of likes, so I'm not counting that one. But on average, my post would get about 20 to 30 likes, and so now I'm struggling to find an example. See, like a post like this, it got like 28 others. And I don't really care about likes but I thought it would be a nice experiment. And so this post got 46 likes. And then this is nothing compared to some of the other kids at my school. Some of the kids at my school get like hundreds of likes, but I'm not big or anything. So that one got a lot of likes. So I'm like, huh, maybe it's just that I haven't posted in a while, because my last post was February 15th and then I posted on March 3rd. I hadn't posted anything in a while. So that one got a lot of likes. And then the picture that I posted after that got also 46 likes. And then I'm like, interesting. And then the one after that got 43. And then I'm like, I'm noticing a pattern here. And so the next picture had 42. Then I'm like, okay, we're still doing good. This one had 40. And then I noticed that this one was 32. We start to decrease. But then this one went back up. We got 40 likes again. This one, we went down, we got 33, 27, and then by the time it was 27, I'm like, huh, maybe it has to do with the frequency of my uploads. I had seen a video where Instagram basically picks from your followers at random who they show the picture to. And basically, if the people that they randomly decide to show it to like it, they will randomly show it to more of your followers. After this one, I posted this last one with my neighbor Mia Sara on March 18th. On March 20th, 2 days later, I posted the first picture of the photo shoot, and that one got 41 likes. So then I'm like, huh, did I have to take a break so that Instagram would then re-show it to my friends? And then the next one got 38 likes, and then the last one got 34. And so I'm like, I don't get it. And I thought I cracked it, but I didn't. So all my other pictures are the same. Now I'm sitting back at where I was at the beginning at like 20 something. I sometimes break 30. But usually I'm in the mid to low 20s in terms of likes. And so I started thinking, and then I think Instagram is complicated. Like, there's a friend of mine, I don't know if he watches my videos. If you do, hi. He had this like Instagram account. He had like 800 and something followers. And so he decided to close that Instagram account. And he opened a new one. And then I'm like, okay, you're my friend. I followed his new account. Then when I followed his new account, he already had like 10, 20 followers. Okay. And so I like every time he posts a picture, I like the picture, and then he adds to his story, whatever. And then one time I clicked on his profile, and then I saw, bam, he gained 100 followers. And then I'm like, huh, like that's great for you, like, que cool. And then I came back like a day or two, he had another 100. But I know that he's not buying followers, and he posted on his story like he was just gaining followers, and then he didn't know why. Then I started examining his post, and that also attributed to the thing. His posts were also very edited and in that style of like very like high saturation, mid to low contrast, heavy on the grain, like the pictures catch your attention. And so I thought, huh, maybe if I played with colors it would be different. And then that's when I did the whole pictures for my field trip. But the field trip pictures aren't that, you know, they aren't as liked. And so, I don't know. Now he's sitting comfortably at like 500 followers, and then I'm like, what the heck? But if you want to get followers, you're not going to get any. When you don't want any, you're going to get them. So, I don't care at this point, and I just didn't want to scrap this video. And since I don't have a video for today for you, since I haven't cleaned those yet, I wanted to, you know, do something. I know that you won't judge me because you're a camera, and if you judge me in the comments, well, that's the comments. I can just block. So, no, you just watch this video. And so, I'm gonna make a poll over on Instagram and see if you guys would like to see a video of me using, like, editing my pictures And if you do, give this video a thumbs up. That's what YouTubers do. They ask for thumbs up. So yeah, like this video if you want me to make that video. So without any further ado, here's the outro. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, are you excited for those 2 videos? Because they're coming on. According to her as well, we have a total of 20-something days till school ends. So you know when school ends, you know what that means. Summer's we wait. So yeah. So yeah. Remember that I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys on Friday with one of those videos. Bye!